High above us, in the vast expanse of the stratosphere, lies a delicate shield, the ozone layer. Invisible to the naked eye, it plays a critical role in safeguarding life on Earth. This thin, gaseous layer acts as our planet's natural sunscreen, absorbing most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet, UV radiation. Without it, life as we know it would be impossible. The ozone layer is a testament to the intricate balance that sustains our planet. It's a balance that we, as humans, have disrupted in the past. But it's also a testament to our ability to learn from our mistakes and take collective action to protect our planet. The story of the ozone layer is a story of destruction and recovery, a stark reminder of our interconnectedness with the natural world. Ozone, a molecule made up of 3 oxygen atoms, is constantly being formed and destroyed in the stratosphere, roughly 10 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This ongoing process is driven by the sun's energy. When the sun's ultraviolet UV radiation strikes oxygen molecules, O2, it splits them into individual oxygen atoms. These free oxygen atoms, O, are highly reactive and quickly combine with other oxygen molecules to form ozone, O3. This cycle of creation and destruction ensures a delicate equilibrium of ozone in the stratosphere. This natural process, however, can be disrupted by human activities. The release of certain man-made chemicals has upset this delicate balance, leading to the depletion of the ozone layer. The ozone layer acts as a protective barrier, absorbing most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet UV radiation. UV radiation is harmful to life on Earth. It can damage the DNA in our cells, leading to skin cancer, cataracts, and weakened immune systems. The ozone layer's ability to absorb UV radiation is essential for the health of all life on Earth. It protects us and all living organisms from the sun's harmful rays. In the 1970s, scientists made a startling discovery. The ozone layer was thinning. This thinning, particularly pronounced over Antarctica, became known as the ozone hole. The primary culprit was a group of man-made chemicals known as chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. CFCs were widely used in refrigerators, air conditioners, and aerosol sprays. Once released into the atmosphere, CFCs could persist for decades, slowly rising into the stratosphere. There, under the influence of the sun's UV radiation, they would break down and release chlorine atoms. These chlorine atoms acted as catalysts, rapidly destroying ozone molecules and disrupting the natural balance of the ozone layer. The depletion of the ozone layer has far-reaching consequences for both human health and the environment. Increased UV radiation can lead to a rise in skin cancer cases, particularly the deadly melanoma. It can also cause cataracts, a clouding of the eye's lens leading to vision impairment and, ultimately, blindness. The effects of ozone depletion extend beyond human health. Increased UV radiation can damage plants, reducing their growth and yield. It can also harm marine life, particularly phytoplankton, which form the base of the ocean food chain. The discovery of the ozone hole sent shockwaves around the world. It was a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the potential for human activities to have unintended consequences on a global scale. The international community recognized the urgency of the situation and took swift action. In 1987, countries around the world came together to sign the Montreal Protocol, an international treaty aimed at phasing out ozone-depleting substances. The Montreal Protocol is widely regarded as one of the most successful international environmental agreements in history. It stands as a testament to what can be achieved when nations unite in the face of a common threat. The protocol set binding targets for the phase-out of ozone-depleting substances, including CFC. The protocol also included provisions for financial and technological assistance to developing countries to help them transition to ozone-friendly alternatives. The Montreal Protocol has been remarkably successful in reducing the concentration of ozone-depleting substances in the atmosphere. As a result, the ozone layer is showing signs of recovery. The ozone hole over Antarctica is gradually shrinking, and scientists predict that it could fully recover by the middle of the century. The success of the Montreal Protocol demonstrates the power of collective action and gives us hope for the future. The story of the ozone layer is a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect our planet. It highlights the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the need for international cooperation to address global environmental challenges. As we face the challenges of climate change, we can draw inspiration from the success of the Montreal Protocol. It serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that by working together we can overcome even the most daunting environmental threats and safeguard our planet for generations to come.